Gaining valuable experience in the banking industry over the past 10 years with extensive knowledge on safe banking practices, especially on cybersecurity issues. There is much to say to protect bank service consumers. He's talking on the topic, Fortifying Financial Services, the role of cybersecurity in banking for both bank and consumers. He is in the person of Mr. Eric Aggor-Ohene. Let's invite him with a hand of applause.
Good afternoon. Yes, I also stand on the existing protocols to acknowledge Genius IT for their innovative endeavor. From Zenith Bank, Ghana Limited at Ho Branch, as already said, we are located at the Ho Technical University campus, and I'm a relationship manager. I'm here to speak on Fortifying Financial Services, the role of cybersecurity in banking. I know all of us are anxious because the money people are coming to talk. Yes, it is very important because all we do as adults, you wake up, you go around your daily duties. One of the main reasons why we go about is because of money. To get money to support our livelihoods, to look after our families, and to make an impact in society. For that reason, one of the main issues why people keep their money in banks is for safekeeping. One of the reasons is just for safekeeping, to prevent unauthorized access to your funds. So what is the role of cybersecurity in banking? All cybersecurity in banking is trying to do is to protect or guard against attacks of malware, viruses, hacking, data theft, and unauthorized access to networks and devices and programs. So that's what the bank seeks to do, to protect the customers and their funds, and to protect the bank itself. So why are banks one of the major victims, or to say one of the major points of attack for cyber crimes? Because of the large volumes of transactions and money that is based there. If you are asked to go to rob somebody's house and to go to rob a bank, you would prefer to go to the bank because you are rest assured you get more money there than to go to someone's house. You see, so it is very imperative that as financial institutions, the stakes are high when it comes to banking, and we need to do a lot on that side. Why are there increasing issues in cybersecurity? Because our customers are becoming complex. Customers are becoming complicated. Everybody wants convenience. Everybody wants to do transactions from the comfort of their bed. Someone wants to be sleeping and wake up and send money to someone. There were issues we had that someone was buying from Instagram, mobile money pins, and all those things. Yes, it is convenience that is leading us into such spaces. And we need to be careful that in as much as the opportunity is there to do transactions comfortably, you need to try to protect yourself. So there's the need to enhance security in banking transactions. All right. Now, we are saying that why is cybersecurity important in banking? Why? Because of the earlier point that I made, that there's increased desire for convenience. So the banks also need to take extra steps to try to protect both the customer and the bank. Now, there's need to enforce cybersecurity protocols, because after the data is breached, after a successful cyber attack on a bank, it will become very difficult to restore that data, if not even impossible in some cases. And also, after the data is compromised, you will spend time, you spend resources. For example, if the bank should sit down and allow a cyber attacker to steal their customer database and expose it to the public, who would like others to know their bank balances and some of those things? Nobody wants it. So the bank will then have to do a lot of work, use a lot of time and energy to try and resolve such a situation. So the banks need to do more. And also, after your data has been collected by attackers, you don't know what they will use it for. We're here in this country when some few months ago there was an issue about someone's bank account and then the balance is there. Nobody likes it. So assuming that wasn't a court order, assuming it was just someone who gained unauthorized access to a bank balance and then exposing your balances